Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be showing you how to make a crispy chicken wing. We're going to start off with a chicken that has been washed, clean, and pat dried. We're going to season with some salt, some black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, some season to the bone Jamaican seasoning, chicken seasoning, ginger powder, and some allspice. You're going to rub all your spices in. Make sure it's evenly spread and incorporated. Then you're going to marinate your chicken for at least 2 hours or overnight. Once your chicken's marinated, we're going to start off with our flour mixture. With our flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and all your seasonings that you added to the chicken earlier. Mix and incorporate that evenly into the flour. Once that's mixed evenly, then we're going to start our breading process. And we're going to do a double breading. So just make sure your chicken's coated evenly in the flour. Dust off any excess flour. Repeat until all your chicken wing is all coated. Now the bowl that you had the chicken in earlier, just add some water to that, dip your chicken wing in it, and repeat the steps again. You're gonna flour your chicken again until all of it is evenly breaded. I like to tuck the wing tip under. You can leave it whole, or you can even cut it into pieces where you have the flats and the drums. So repeat that flour process, that breading process, until all your wings is evenly and nicely coated. Once you're done, you're going to start with your pot of oil. Make sure your oil is at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to fry our chicken wing. Add your wing to the pot. Don't add too much at once, else you'll drop the temperature of your oil. And you don't want your pot to be overcrowded, else you won't get that crispiness you're looking for. So we're going to fry in 2 batches. So once you get that nice golden brown color, it's crispy, look for an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees. Now while that chicken wing is being fried, we're going to make a little sauce for it. Add some water, garlic powder, some jerk seasoning, honey, and some ketchup. Whisk that so it's incorporated, and then you're going to bring your sauce to a simmer or a boil. Remove the chicken. Once your sauce is at a boil, check the consistency. Once it coats the back of the spoon and you wipe it and it doesn't come back together, the sauce is ready. Go ahead and plate. There you go, guys. Crispy chicken wing. Nice and delicious with the honey jerk glaze. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys.